Hello YouTube people. Haven't done a video in a long time, so I just want to make a quick video confirming that you can change your PCV valve without taking the manifold off. And I saw this on another YouTube video, but you can probably look them up. I already got everything done, so I don't feel like filming the whole thing again. But basically, you take, I have a oil catch can plugged up to my PCV valve. Can't even say that right. So you can't really see it right now, but you disconnect the hose going from your manifold to your plate, and then you take a small flathead screwdriver and you wedge it in between where the little black piece that the valve sits in. There's a little, like, tiny little, like, cap looking thing right there. You wedge it in between that and the actual plate, and then you just pry up on it and it'll pop out. So just be careful, don't do what I did. I went a little bit too hard and cracked one of the sides, so I had to super glue it back. Hopefully it will hold, but yeah, don't know how effective the glue is gonna be, but if you're careful, you can definitely do this without taking the whole manifold off. And quick update, since I haven't made a video in a long time, I have front mount intercooler now, right here. Oil catch can. I'm tuned by Justin at Freektuned, and all my mounts are upgraded. I got damond rear, I got damond passenger somewhere over there. I'll show you in a little bit when I get up, and then I got a JBR transmission mount. So here's the damond passenger mount, not too bad at all. And here's my treadstone front mount kit that I got off a salvaged car. My only complaint is this little pipe right here rubs against my radiator a little bit, but it's not too bad. And that's it. Here's the baby. Boom. But that's it. I don't know why it says Speed. I don't even have any Speed products. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Thanks for listening. So just give a confirmation video here on a PCV valve change, and that you can do it without taking your whole manifold out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll make more videos soon, or not, I'll make it in 2 years like this one. So thanks, see ya.